Why do adjustments sometimes make a popping sound? Well, basically when you hear that popping sound, your joints are what are called cavitating. It's actually air that's being released from the joints that's making that popping sound. Just as you'd be opening up like a pop bottle or something like that, you're going to have those gases get released and it's going to make a popping sound. Or think of it like popping open a bottle of champagne, boom. And you're going to have that popping sound just because of the joint. And a lot of times after that popping sound, the person feels much, much better and has a lot of relief from that. So that's why you're hearing that popping sound from an adjustment.